Up next at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos is this beautiful 2009 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide Standard. Designation FLHT. 09, so it has a 96-inch motor, 6-speed transmission, and the previous owner, pronounce that correctly, owner, added a bunch of things that you won't have to pay for, like highway pegs, way upgraded grips, nice soft rubber inserts, windshield bags. I wish I had one of those for my garage door opener. This bike has under 26,000 miles on a 9-year-old bike. I don't get it. Previous owner also bought you a nice set of Reinhardt pipes. I've owned Vance & Hines and Reinhardt's, love them both. God, this bike's in nice shape. Reinhardt's enable this bike to sound as good as it looks. In color, vivid black, in super nice shape. Previous owner added a few other embellishments. Very tasteful. I'll show you the worst part of the bike. Hardly unusual. There's some pitting in the lower portions of the forks. The rest of it, oh, beautiful bike. And available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos. Also, the price is under $11,000.